Hi there guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a user to your Google Ads account. Follow alongside with me. After making sure that your account is successfully created, go ahead to your account on the top corner. Right here you can manage the account, switch accounts and do a lot of stuff. Under the tools and settings right here, you can find setup, shared library, bulk actions. You guys get the idea. You can even find documents, promotions, settings. To add a user, you will have to authorize what you're looking for. So before even think about Google Ads, we are going to go ahead and search Google Ad Manager. Right here, you're going to go ahead in your account, click sign in and choose the proper account. Get started and choose what you're looking for. Fill out the informations. And click on save and continue. Click on continue signing up. Sign up, choose the proper account again. And then after you have an account, you will be good to go. In the Google Ad Manager, you'll navigate to admin access and authorization. Click on users, click on new user, enter the designated information, select the user role, and then you can even add optional SAM teams and then save. That will be basically it. In your Google Ads, you're going to find this user in the right criteria. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.